This demo resumes from where we left off when we created the SFTP user account. In this demonstration, we'll show you how to export data from your Oracle Cloud Service. So let's start out from the My Services page. There's various tabs. The Overview tab tells me information that I need for this exercise, and that is the service SFTP details. So I'm going to need several items from this. One is the SFTP host, the other is the port number, and I'm going to need the username. So here we have this username. I can go ahead and copy that. I want to point out to you, for instance, one of the reasons you might want to use SFTP is to conduct data export. So you can click on the Data Export tab. I've already requested some data exports here, but I'll walk through that again. So you click on the Export Data and go ahead and make your selections here, whether you just want the data structures or the data as well. Click Create Data Export, and that'll process for a bit, so give that some time. And then while you're waiting on that, you need to have a FileZilla or a WinSCP file transfer protocol client set up to go ahead and download the export from your database cloud service. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled up my FileZilla FTP client here. Remember, I told you need that information, so here's host. So we'll go back to the Overview tab. Also shows up in the email when you sign up for the service, some of this information, but when you're already into the service, you can just pick it up here from Overview tab. So SFTP host, I'm going to copy and paste that here. And then username, again, we're going to use this trial A32. So I can just go ahead and copy and paste that here. Okay, so remember I reset my password in the previous demo, so I'm going to use that reset password here. And port number should be 22, indeed 22, so I'll just type that in. Then we'll connect to the DB service. The password is case sensitive. This shows you the remote site I'm connected to, so this is my database cloud service, and over here is my local machine. So what I can do is I can go ahead and click on the download folder here, take this DMP file that was exported from the cloud service, double click on that to initiate the transfer. Take just a moment here and you can see the progress of that transfer, which is occurring right now. I just have it set to download to my desktop. Okay, so that finished. Successful transfers, 1. And here it is right here. So it did indeed transfer the DMP file from the Oracle Cloud Service to my local directory, specifically the desktop. And that's it. Once you have your SFTP account user set up, you can export data. You can also import data from your local to the database cloud service. So let's recap. First, locate service SFTP user account details. You can perform a data export from your service. Then use the FTP client and your SFTP account to download your data export locally. And please remember to share the SFTP username and password with designated administrators.